In front of me is Motorola Moto G30, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Apps. Then select the default apps and tap on one of those sections, in my case a browser app. Then click on your new downloaded one to apply it. So when I go into Play Store, install a new browser, and then when it's ready, go back to the same settings. I can change my default app right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!